Ex-police officer criticizes Mnangagwa over aid to Mozambique as Zimbabweans struggle. By a correspondent, the 17th of August 2025, a retired senior police officer has launched a blistering attack on President Emerson Mnangagwa's government, accusing it of neglecting Zimbabweans while donating welfare goods to neighboring Mozambique. Former Assistant Inspector Tongai Fambai, who retired from the Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, last month after serving as officer in charge at Rujiko Police Station, described the government's move as fiction, meant to impress outsiders while ordinary citizens endure poverty, shortages, and broken services. In his statement, Fambai said African solidarity in times of disaster was important, but questioned the motives behind Harari's actions. Self-sustenance by African societies to assist each other in times of disaster is a big achievement towards a truly independent continent. However, this should be done in good faith, not in bad faith, he said. He blasted ZANU-PF for posturing as a savior, abroad while ignoring domestic suffering. You can fool Mozambique, you can fool Africa and the world, but as Zimbabweans, we refuse to buy such fiction. Have they ever compensated families of those killed in the 2008 state-sponsored violence? Claiming to save Africa while stealing from cotton and tobacco farmers, do they think we cannot see? Fambai charged. He also pointed to the decay in public services, accusing the government of building false images for the cameras, while leaving rural communities forgotten. Our rural households pay taxes but have no safe water. Boreholes are only installed where cameras can reach, while places like Sovlel, Shinde, and Chatareka have nothing. Fear and control are the only tools of ZANU-PF, he said. Fambai further criticized the state of Zimbabwe's hospitals, schools, roads, and civil service wages. It is our hospitals that need donations, not Mozambique. ZANU-PF, spare us this drama. We are suffering, he declared. His remarks add to growing criticism that the government is more focused on regional image building than addressing domestic crises, with calls mounting for urgent reforms to ease the plight of Zimbabweans.